Hey guys, welcome back from another video from TDL DIY. So today we're going to be talking about the smoke detector. So this is a hardwired smoke detector. It's not a battery backup or a solely battery operated smoke detector. It's a model year that it was made. It was 2013 and it's supposed to replace by 2025. So it's supposed to be good for a long time. The problems that we've been having is it's been chirping. So typically when you hear it chirping, and if it's in a battery operated smoke detector, what will happen, or what that means, is that it's time to change out your battery, because the battery's getting low and it's just letting you know the battery's getting low and it's time to replace. Well, on a wired smoke detector, hardwired to power, that is not the case. So as you just heard that chirp, and that will go on about every 30-40 seconds or so, and it's just to tell you that something's wrong. So I looked into it. I've determined and also called the company, but from what I gathered, why the chirping's happening is that there's something wrong with the smoke detector. Now, I heard a lot of things on the internet saying you got to take a vacuum and suck where the sensor is, or blow it out. None of that worked. I gave it a try first, put it back in. It's still chirping. So I called the company. I was just about to buy a new one. Called the company up because I read a review on Home Depot. Somebody put their number, which I'll throw in this video. It's a 1-800 number. I gave them a call and being like, hey, I got the smoke detector. The model number is, and I'll actually tell you the model number because this is specifically for this one, but it could be for other ones. So I think it's product receipt I1 2020 ACA. That is the smoke detector I have, and it's by Kidde, Kidde. I could have been pronouncing that wrong. They shipped me out a new one. He said, oh yeah, no worries. It's a common fault in this particular smoke detector, and it might be a fault in other smoke detectors that are hardwired. Like I said, the battery ones, that just means that you have to replace the battery. And the ones that are hardwired with battery backup, I would suspect that you would have to replace the battery, and if that doesn't solve it, then I would call the company and see maybe there is an issue with that one. So I called them up. They sent me this nice little letter. I blurred out my address for you so that you cannot see, but I'll give you a quick read of basically what the letter is. So date received July 9th, and the ship date was the 10th. I know it's currently the 12th right now, but I received this on the 11th. So that's super quick. They said between 4 to 8 days, and this was shipped from I think the States. That's who I talked to. Oh, this was from Canada. That's where I'm from. So while we endeavor our offer to the highest standard of performance, unfortunately sometimes during the shipping and packaging something may go wrong, resulting in a unit not achieving its full life expectancy. Thank you for bringing this to our attention, and we apologize for the inconvenience this may have caused you. Before installing the alarm, please read the enclosed alarm manual. If you have any questions or concern, please contact customer service at 1-800-565-1976. Thank you for trusting your home safety with Kidde. So that was a nice little letter. I know it's probably just copy and paste and everybody gets the same one, but you know, it really shows that they stand behind their products. And so I'll show you a close-up of what the box is and the model number. So the model number is right down here, and this is the one that is installed in my house. And all we're gonna do, since you guys probably heard this chirping throughout the video, quite loud, we're just going to take it off. There, it just happened again. So we're just gonna twist it, bring it down. So there's a couple things you just gotta squeeze. pull it out, and that's it. So we're going to put that aside. We got the new one here. It's very simple. So guys, this didn't cost me a damn thing. It didn't. Oh, they changed the design. Oh no, that's the back plate. So it comes with this dust cover. All it says is do not remove this cover if construction's still going on. So take that off. There's no construction going on. So it's the exact same as the other one. No differences. And you might still hear chirping because there's capacitors inside that probably just have a little bit of energy left in them. That's why it's chirping a bit. We're going to throw the new one on here. Okay guys, I don't know if it's hard for you to see, but this light here is green. That means it's good to go, and we're going to give it a test. It works. Red light came on, and that's it. We're just going to wait 30 seconds or so, and hopefully there's no more noise from the new one. This old one's still chirping a little bit. I'm going to move this away. So far no noise. Just going to pack this up, but it gives you all the instructions. Gives you a new wire, a new plate for the ceiling, the dust cover like I said, and of course the instructions. For this one, I've already used it. You know, it's already been here, so we just have to install it. Just like that, replace the old one. So, that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. I don't know a whole lot about smoke detectors. Most of the ones I've used were battery operated ones, but this was the issue, and we just have to put it in. So this one says replaced by 2031. So obviously this is a newer one, not made in the same year. Yeah, I think we should be good. So the one other thing to note that it's working properly is that it will flash red every so often, and just a quick on and off is good. That means it's trying to detect what's in the air, and everything's good to go. So thanks for watching my video, guys. If you think this video helped you out, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, you can always share, like, and comment. So thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget, never stop learning.
Good job, Dad. Good job, Dad.